Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Nick, and today I'm going to be cooking y'all some Mojo pork tacos. So what we got here is the pork stew meat. I'm going to cut that up into smaller pieces. And then I got some Valencia oranges, some lime, onion, cumin, some parsley, oregano, garlic, salt. Okay, so the pork meat, it's in these big old cube chunks that you see here. And so what I'm doing is I'm cutting them up into these smaller pieces here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to marinate these for a few hours, and then when I go to cook them, I'm going to use my Weber Jumbo Joe, and I have grill grates on it, and you can flip them upside down and kind of use them as a griddle. So I'm going to cook them on that surface under some charcoal. Alright, so we got our pork meat cut up into little taco sized chunks. So now we're going to make our marinade. I'm not going to really measure anything out. I'm just going to kind of just eyeball it, and we'll go from there and see how it tastes. So we're going to start with some orange. Pretty good looking oranges, and they got a lot of juice in them. Pretty good. And the olive oil. Kind of. We got ourselves one Vidalia onion here. I'm not going to put the whole thing. I'll put a little bit of it. Probably do that much. Mince these up kind of small. Now it's taking on the consistency of egg yolk. Probably about that much garlic. And we'll pour some of the juice in there. So our parsley. So that's probably a couple of tablespoons worth of parsley there. Cumin. Try not to do too much here. That's probably a couple of teaspoons. That's probably good. Oregano. Probably shoot for about a tablespoon's worth. And then our salt. Oh, let's start with that much salt and see what we get. So now we're going to marinate the pork meat here. Pour that all around like that. The whole thing. Give it a good stir around. Everything nice. There. So that's good. So I'm going to seal this up and put it in the fridge. Now we still got quite a few more hours before dinner time. It'll marinate, and I'll peek on it every now and then, and we'll see how this meat's doing. Alright, we're back. Real nice and hot. First thing we're gonna do, we got some Anaheim peppers and some jalapenos we're gonna throw on here. I'll let those roast up on there a bit. Alright, let's have ourselves see how these are doing. Gonna roast those peppers up just a little bit more, and we'll start cooking our pork. Alright, so my peppers are pretty much done. I'm gonna pull them off, put them in this bowl here, and cover it with foil and let them just kind of steam inside this bowl. Alright, there's our Mojo pork. This probably shouldn't take very long. That's such itty bitty pieces. And these grill grates are pretty darn hot. Yeah, that griddle's starting to cool down now because that cold pork took its heat away from it. So I'm going to put the lid on and let it recover. Alright, so our meat is about ready. I already tasted a couple pieces and it's done. So we're going to pull it off. We're going to put it back in that same bowl. Now we're going to heat up some tortillas. I got some white corn tortillas here. Just kind of throw them on there. Let those heat up for a minute or two. Let's see here. Another 30 seconds. Yeah, tortillas are ready. Got little bits of stuff from the griddle on them, but that's okay. Yeah, let's go inside and plate them up. Alright, we're back. Alright, we got our mojo pork meat. Some Anaheim peppers just for a little side there. Some of our toppings. Our guacamole from earlier. Our tortillas. And I got this Mexican 4-cheese blend. A little bit of that meat there. And we'll top them off with a few little tomatoes. Onion and cilantro. That's that onion there. Do some of that guacamole I made there. There they are right there. Mojo pork tacos. So there's our meat there. We did our mojo marinade and marinated them for a few hours. Made some guacamole. And we got our tacos there and grilled some peppers on the side. So let's give it a go. That's a good taco right there. Mojo pork taco. So check the recipe out. I'll have it in the description. And don't forget to subscribe.